Yes, this is a video about how to mount pop-up tents, but I have to do a little bit of talking to get there. What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to talk pop-up tents, getting ready for the summer season. I know a lot of you that follow me are into pop-up tents and potentially make a lot of money off of pop-up tents like I do in my rental company. So yes, I do marquee tents, I do the small canopy pole tents, but pop-up tents is a big part of my business. And how do I make that a big part of my business? Well, buying high quality 10 by 20 pop-up tents, and then I can string them together to make bigger variations so that people who don't want to pay all that extra money to make bigger tents, they can just pick up multiple 10 by 20s and set them side by side to make the variation that they want. This is actually a lot more popular than you think it would be. People love renting this just because the price point's a little bit lower. If you buy pop-up tents, I guarantee you they are going to break no matter how high quality they are. Someone's going to find a way to break them and misuse them. So make sure to order extra parts like these little fittings. So the higher quality tents will sell you replacement parts. So pop-up tents are great for customer pickups, but oftentimes they'll also ask you to install. And this can take a little bit of extra time and you need to be quick. So make sure you have the right tools for a fast setup. If you're going to do that, then you want to have the right gear. So going through pop-up tents, the main flaws that I had was installing. I did a lot of installs by myself. So if you go on an install, bring someone else. But if you're trying to save money, which we all are trying to do, and you might often go install tents all by yourself, a 10 by 20 tent needs to be mounted down kind of as you're setting it up, or else it will blow away if there's a wind. I always use these now, but these are really hard to get in. You kind of hammer them a little bit, and then you use a tent stake and wrap them, and then you're tired by the end of the... So I've got my hammer drill here, and I bought this little bit off of Amazon. So this is from Key Fit Tools on Amazon, and just basically just screws the stake into the ground. Once these stakes go into the ground, your pop-up tent's not going anywhere. I've used these to set up pop-up tents like in 70-kilometer winds that are just like crazy winds, and the pop-up tents go nowhere. They're perfectly fine. So if you use these, then that's great. Another thing is, screw these in before you start setting up the pop-up tent. So as you pop it up, you can just hook it on really quick and then keep going. And instead of using the old style of ratchets, I'll show you the old style. Oh, yeah, these ones look nice and they're all right. They're like 1-inch white webbing, okay. But, you know, having to untangle these ratchets, not a good time saver. So, you know, I've got these Erickson ratchets that just pull and retract. And literally by using these tools, you can save yourself so much time. So just get a hammer drill with one of these Key Fit tool bits. Get these earth auger stakes and get these retractable ratchets. If you're doing lights, get some little clips. I got these clips off of Amazon. They're absolutely fantastic. They're tight little tips. And then you can just quickly hook them onto your lights on the string around the tent. And then go, 1, 2, 3, go. No more zip ties. Although you do want to have zip ties because you want to band two tents together, right? Unless you have a tent tool, which I've ordered some tent tools, so I'll show you tent joiners, but zip ties work great if you're joining tents together. That's what I'm using this year. So on site will be to mention, okay, so when you're on site or you're just pulling out a pop-up tent and then you see a little rip on the top, because between the arms of the tent, sometimes when you bunch in the top together, it makes little rips and slits in the cheaper tent tops. Make sure to have T-Rex tape with you. Put a little piece on the outside and the inside, and it's invisible and it's waterproof, and it will save your tents for the rest of the season. So you won't have to buy new tent tops till the whole next season. So if you get some rips in them, just get a roll of T-Rex tape. I get it from Canadian Tire for 11 bucks a roll. This is a staple for pop-up tents, T-Rex tape. Go get it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, I encourage you to subscribe because there will be more videos like this. Press that like button. It tells the algorithm to show more people this video. And as always, you stay classy. We'll see you on the next one.